Before going into the symmetries and stuff like that, I will just talk about very quickly and explicitly what is free index and dummy index, because I forget to actually explicitly define here. So the free index itself, alright, as I say earlier, I think I've told you earlier that the wij, alright, I and j individually has um, appears once in this thing, alright. So I and j itself is initial notation, as I said a bit before. There is two initial notation, alright. I is one initial notation, j is another initial notation, and therefore I and j itself, each of them are free, alright. Each of them are independent. If it's wi, then we're talking about dummy indices, right? Why dummy indices? Because I and I are simply the same, alright. So you're talking about same, in the same range, or in the same, I may be wrong, but to use the word of domain, alright. So they may be in the same system, alright, and therefore they are the dummy indices. They are not, we actually don't care about which vectors they are talking about, because they are actually in the same space, I would say. I don't know, but in certain meanings of that, right? And therefore, if you take a look in this this example session over here, alright, this is the CJ, alright. So VIWIJ in this scenario is equals to CJ, is in terms of just J itself, alright. The J is changing, while the Y's are always similar, because they're talking about the same systems, alright. Why are they in the same system? Because VI and WI are in the same space, I would say, so they are the same system, while J is changing across time, alright. So if the indices, if the initial notation, alright, I appears more than one time, then this means that this it is a dummy indices, alright, dummy indices. So if it's I is equals to 1, it appears one time, alright. It's not exactly equals, but I just write it as equals for goodness sakes. So it is free indices, alright. And therefore I want to take this opportunity to explicitly define the definition of dummy indices and free indices. I'll see you there in the next video.